3 steps to self-improvement with a hot tub at home. Soaking in a warm, massaging hot tub is one of life's most relaxing activities. But did you know that a few minutes in the spa can also lead to significant health improvements? It's true. Here are 3 steps to self-improvement with a hot tub at home. Promote deep, restful sleep. With great sleep as the goal, using a hot tub is an easy way to get the rest you need to be your best. With an invigorating massage from head to toe, the spa eases tension that prevents sleep, allowing you to drift off naturally without sleep aids or prescription drugs. Ease nagging aches and pains. When pain and discomfort make it tough to be your best, a hot tub can help. And whether you experience occasional muscle fatigue or everyday pain from a chronic condition, using a spa provides long-lasting relief so you can be your best. Boost mood and emotional health. A positive outlook and zest for life are the keys to vitality, but stress and tension can make staying positive in the face of challenges difficult. Using a hot tub triggers the release of endorphins, which promote happiness naturally, boosting emotional health and wellness. So go ahead, take a soak. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To learn more about the benefits of owning a hot tub, pick up a copy of our free Consumer's Guide to Buying a Hot Tub. Visit our website at www.backyardretreat.ca.